Everyone, it's Sean from Sean's Toy Room, and this is I guess this will be part of the second video of action figure repainting. I realized that he's missing his black shoulder on the Riker here. So I'm going to have to find the black to put on there. Let's see. Do I have a shiny gloss black, perhaps? Oh, it should be one of these three. Oh, there's a shiny licorice black. There's a metallic sequin black. And here's a satin pure black. So, based on the uniform, I'm going to go for the shiny one first. Let's see if I can get it applied, but first I have to fill up the water bottle again. Alright, I'm back. So water bottle filled in. But as I learned the hard way once, shiny paint doesn't work unless it has a somewhat matte base. And actually, wait a minute. I think you have a fourth color here. I mean a fourth type of, there we go, see? Licorice matte black, which will go nicely with shade matching with the licorice shiny black. So we'll start with the matte black. Which brush? Use this brush. So we'll see how this goes. Come on. Ah, there you go. All right. So always try to paint it. First, I'm going to try to align the arm correctly. Come on, arm. Move. There. There we go. All right. You know, I'm realizing once I passed 45 that I am going to have to start wearing the glasses when I do the figures. But there you go, see? So let's see if he stands upright. He does. Let's put the box in the background so that you have something to contrast with him. There you go. Actually, there you go. And the paint that did the job. There. And turn him so that you can see the side profile of the paint on the... There you go. There you go. So that is the how to fix an action figure. We'll wait till it dries, because if you look at how dull the top looks versus the shiny pants. So we'll see which one, what it turns out like. So anyway, that's all for now, and see y'all later. Bye-bye.